Drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Inspire 3 release date? I'll have some information coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Our friend Ostalev has been quite busy lately giving us updates, of course, on the Mavic Air, which has been released, also the Mavic Pro 2 and the Phantom 5. He's also released some information about the Inspire 3, so without further ado, I'm going to go over some of that, and I'll put these screenshots that I took from his Twitter account up so you can take a look and see this. He said that it's going to be similar as the Inspire 2 as far as design and shape is concerned, with critical component redundancy. He said they're also going to update to Cinecore 3.0 with 4K, 5.2K, 6K, and 8K raw footage recording capability, but 8K won't be available until upcoming firmware update, which will probably be in about another year. He also said that there would be an update to the propulsion system, that the maximum takeoff weight will be up to 5,000 grams. Obstacle avoidance camera system will have higher resolution. A new infrared TOF sensor will be equipped. He also said the micro SD card slot will be updated to UHS 2. Number 6, he said new high-speed vision Cine SSD faster than the old one for 8K raw footage storage. Number 7, 3 kinds of gimbal cameras will be announced with the Inspire 3, a 1-inch, a micro 4/3, and super 35mm CMOS. The 8K camera will be launched in a year after the Inspire 3. And last, number 8, a gimbal connector updated with more bandwidth. Now, he had also made mention of the fact that his guesstimate is that this will be a November release, which, if everything that he says holds true this year, that means each quarter DJI will be releasing a drone. First quarter, the Mavic Air. The second quarter, the Mavic Pro 2. The third quarter, the Phantom 5. And the fourth quarter, the Inspire 3. Now, as you all know, the Inspire series is definitely for those who are serious videographers and photographers. The capabilities of it are definitely even beyond the Phantom series. It is a very robust drone, and it's they make it, DJI made this to fit a niche. It's in between those who really can't afford the Matrix series and wanted something above the Phantom series. So come the Inspire, and from everything I've ever heard from anybody that's flown them, saying they are very easy to fly. It's just a joy, and their camera system is incredible. Of course, the new ZenMuse camera will be available for that. So, want to thank everybody for watching. If you like the content from today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also, I want to thank everybody for sharing about our channel, because we have been growing lately. I've been getting unbelievable new subscribers, and I want to welcome all of you on board to continue. I will be getting you updates about these drones, and also, we'll be doing some more hands-on with drones. Right now, there's a lot going on in the drone industry, so I want to make sure that we pay attention to that. And I will get to some updates with my drones as well. So again, thank you so much, and please continue to share, because we are growing. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do put daily updates regarding the drone industry and any drone news, and of course anything DJI related will be there. And also my blog, where I not only will do those updates as well, but I also post all the videos out there, because I have a group of followers who follow the blog, and that's how they get notified that the new videos out there. Want to thank everybody for watching, and happy flying.